Alkaline diet. The alkaline diet is spreading from Hollywood to Hyde Park, and is based on the idea that modern diets are saturated with fats, sugars, and processed foods which affect the body's pH balance, causing it to become too acidic. What is an alkaline diet? Alkaline diet that helps balance the pH levels of the body's fluids, such as your blood and urine. This dietary regimen is referred to by a variety of names, including the alkaline ash diet, alkaline acid diet, acid ash diet, pH diet. This diet is based on whole and unprocessed foods. Your body's pH level is in part determined by the mineral content of the food you consume. All life on Earth is dependent on maintaining a balanced pH level, and it is often said that diseases and disorders cannot grow in a body with a balanced pH. Learning objectives. How does the alkaline diet works? Is it really easy for our health? Research on the alkaline diet. Aim of alkaline diet. The purpose of the alkaline diet is to avoid this by carefully monitoring food pH levels in an effort to reduce dietary acid intake. What does pH level mean? The pH level of a solution is expressed on a scale of 0 to 14, with acidic solutions having a lower pH value. The higher the number, the more alkaline the solution is generally. A pH of 7 is regarded as neutral. However, due to the human body's optimal pH being around 7.4, the most healthful pH is considered to be a slightly alkaline one. The pH level of a body is also determined by its stomach, which is the region with the highest acidity. Even minor changes in pH can have a significant impact on the health of various organisms, such as the ocean's pH, which has decreased significantly due to increased CO2 deposition. Additionally, pH levels are essential for the growth of plants, and thus play a significant role in the mineral composition of the food we consume. Acid-ash hypothesis. The acid-ash hypothesis suggests that consuming high amounts of protein and grain with a low amount of potassium can lead to an accumulation of dietary acids, a decrease in net acid elimination, an increase in urinary calcium, and a decrease in calcium absorption from the skeletal system, resulting in osteoporotic conditions. Why is an alkaline diet good for you? Alkaline foods provide essential nutrients that help slow down the acceleration of aging and the progressive decline of organ and cell function. An alkaline diet that includes more fruits and vegetables would increase the K/N ratio and may improve bone health, reduce muscle waste, and reduce the risk of other chronic diseases like high blood pressure and stroke. The resultant increase in growth hormone with an alkaline diet may improve many outcomes from cardiovascular health to memory and cognition. It also increases intracellular magnesium levels, which is necessary for the functioning of numerous enzyme systems. The availability of magnesium, which is necessary to activate vitamin D, would lead to numerous additional benefits for the vitamin D apocrine-exocrine systems. Lowers chronic pain and inflammation. According to a study in Germany published in the Journal of Mineral and Trace Elements, 76 out of 82 people with chronic back pain who received an alkaline supplement every day for 4 weeks reported a significant reduction in pain on the AHS low back pain rating scale. Boosts vitamin absorption and helps prevent magnesium deficiency. Helps improve immune function and possibly cancer protection. The presence of alkalinity may lead to additional benefits for certain chemotherapeutic substances that necessitate a higher pH. The LPD, combined with an increase in F and V, reduces NEAP and decreases the amount of acid that the kidneys need to manage. This reduces the stimulation of angiotensin II and aldosterone, as well as endothelin, necessary for the excretion of dietary acid. It also reduces the buildup of ammonia in the kidneys. These actions reduce kidney damage. Consequently, regression of CKD may be possible. Improvements in renal function due to diet have been observed in the past and are attributed to reduced vegetables and fruit have been linked to bone health. Studies in humans have shown that higher potassium levels in vegetables and fruits lead to higher bone mineral density, BMD. Calcium retention is also promoted by alkaline diets or by the presence of potassium salts. The consumption of high-quality, alkaline-rich foods can lead to improvements in bone mineral density and muscle mass, as well as protection against chronic diseases, decreased invasion and metastasis of tumor cells, and efficient elimination of toxins from the human body. Effect of alkaline diet on EGFR-TKI therapy in lung cancer patients. The high rise in urine pH indicates that the local acidity of the tumor may be neutralized at least in part. For all we know, this could be the first clinical proof of an association between an alkaline diet and improved outcomes in patients with advanced lung cancer. Intestinal alkaline phosphatase. IAP is a protein secreted by enterocytes that plays a big role in keeping the gut healthy. It's mainly bound to the membrane, but can also be found in the gut and blood. It's found in high concentrations in the vesicles that are packed with protein, which are found on the top and bottom of the lumen. IAP helps stop bacteria from moving through the epithelial layer, which prevents the immune cells from being activated and causing inflammation. It's important because it interacts with food, bacteria, and immune cells in a way that helps keep the gut healthy. Pivotal roles of intestinal APP activity in health. It helps in intestinal absorption of lipids, which gives energy, regulation of duodenal bicarbonate secretion and pH, detoxification of bacterial endotoxins, e.g. LPS, regulation of transmucosal passage of bacteria. Conclusion. The alkaline diet has been associated with a higher urinary pH, and may lead to a decrease in the amount of calcium present in the urine. However, as has been observed in some recent studies, this effect may not be indicative of a balanced calcium balance due to the presence of other buffers, such as phosphates. There is no evidence to suggest that alkaline diets improve bone health or protect against osteoarthritis. An alkaline diet may be an effective way to reduce the mortality and morbidity associated with chronic diseases that are increasingly common among the aging population. Initially, it is important to consider the type of soil in which the fruits and vegetables are grown, as this may have a significant impact on the mineral content. Currently, there is a limited amount of scientific research in this field, and further studies are being conducted to evaluate the effects of the diet on muscle function, growth hormone production, and its interaction with vitamin D.